Hello class 9th. Welcome to GK class. This is your GK book. Today we are going to discuss about the people who changed the world. Page number 47. There are so many people who changed the world with their work and by their personality. Today we will discuss about some of them. Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was a German mathematician and physicist who developed the special and general theories of relativity. In 1921, he won the Nobel Prize for Physics for his explanation of the photoelectric effect. Nelson Mandela. He was a South African anti-apartheid revolutionary political leader and philanthropist who served as President of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. He was the country's first black head of state and the first elected in a fully representative democratic election. Martin Luther King. He was an American Christian minister and activist who became the most visible spokesperson and leader in the civil rights movement from 1955 until his assassination in 1968. Aung San Suu Kyi. She is a Burmese politician, diplomat, author, and a 1991 Nobel Peace Prize laureate. She is the leader of the National League for Democracy and played a vital role in the state's transition from military junta to partial democracy. Charlie Chaplin. Sir Charles Spencer Chaplin was an English comic actor, filmmaker, and composer who rose to fame in the era of silent film. He became a worldwide icon through his screen persona, The Tramp, and is considered one of the most important figures in the history of the film industry. Mother Teresa. She was honored in the Catholic Church as Saint Teresa of Calcutta, was an Albanian Indian Roman Catholic nun and missionary. She was the founder of the Order of the Missionaries of Charity, a Roman Catholic congregation of women dedicated to helping the poorest of poor. Shakespeare. He was an English playwright, poet, and actor, widely regarded as the greatest in the English language and the world's greatest dramatist. He is often called England's national poet and the Bard of Avon. Charles Darwin. He was an English naturalist, geologist, and biologist, best known for his contributions to the science of evolution. His proposition that all species of life have descended over time from common ancestors is now widely accepted and considered a foundational concept in science. Thomas Alva Edison. He was an American inventor and businessman who has been described as America's greatest inventor. He developed many devices in fields such as electric power generation, mass communication, sound recording, and motion pictures. Leonardo da Vinci. He was an Italian polymath of the High Renaissance who is widely considered one of the greatest painters of all time. The Mona Lisa is the most famous of his works and the most famous portrait ever made. Pelé. He is a Brazilian retired professional football who played as a forward. Widely regarded as the greatest players of all time, he was among the most successful and popular sports figures of the 20th century. Bill Gates. He is a technologist, business leader, and philanthropist. He is an American business magnate, software developer, He is best known as the co-founder of Microsoft Corporation. Mahatma Gandhi. He was an Indian lawyer, anti-colonial nationalist, and political atheist who employed non-violent resistance to lead the successful campaign for India's independence from British rule, and in turn inspired movements for civil rights and freedom across the world. Walt Disney. He was an American entrepreneur, animator, writer, voice actor, and film producer. A pioneer of the American animation industry, he introduced several developments in the production of cartoons. Steve Jobs. He was an American inventor, designer, and entrepreneur who was the co founder, chief executive, and chairman of Apple Computer. The Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur, were two American aviation pioneers generally credited with inventing, building, and flying the world's first successful motor operated airplane. Now, some cross questions. Number 1. Who is the co founder of Microsoft Corporation? Number 2. Which person is related with Apple revolutionary products? Number 3. Who was the creator of the amusement parks Disneyland and Disney World? Number 4. Who received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979? Number 5. Who dedicated his life to fight for equality? Number 6. Who is known as the father of the nation? Now crack this crossword with the names of people who have brought about changes in the world. Page number 47. Thank you.